The first thing you notice with the DJI Avata 2 is how smooth the flight feels. From the moment you take off, the drone feels responsive, stable, and fun. It reacts quickly to controls, but at the same time it doesn't feel overwhelming. Even if you are not a pro, it gives you confidence. Flying through open spaces feels effortless, but the real magic is when you dive into tighter spots. The Avata 2 feels like it was built for those fast and close flights that make FPV drones exciting. Every turn feels sharp, every movement feels precise, and the way it handles wind is impressive. The goggles play a big role in the experience. Once you put them on, the flight feels like you are in the drone itself. The video feed is sharp, smooth, and almost without delay. That makes a big difference because when you are flying fast, you need every detail to appear in real time. Immersion level is something that makes the Avata 2 feel more like a ride than just a drone. When you start testing its speed, the drone shows real strength. It accelerates quickly and can reach high speeds while still staying stable. The updated motors make the drone feel more powerful than before. It can handle aggressive maneuvers while keeping the camera view steady, which is not easy at high speeds. Feels like DJI balanced fun and control perfectly. The camera is another big reason why flying this drone is so satisfying. The footage looks cinematic even without editing. Stabilization is strong, so even sharp turns or sudden moves look smooth in playback. Colors are rich, details are clear, and it works well even in changing light. That makes it not only fun to fly, but also a real tool for creative work. Now let's talk about design. The DJI Avata 2 looks compact, solid, and built for speed. The frame feels tough enough to handle bumps and small crashes, which is important. For FPV drones, propeller guards are built in, so you don't have to worry too much when flying indoors or in tight areas. It is still lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around. The goggles also got upgrades. They are lighter, more comfortable, and give you better visuals. You can fly for longer without feeling pressure on your face. The clearer display makes the whole flying experience better. The new controller is also more ergonomic, so your hands don't feel tired quickly. Performance is where DJI always shines, and the Avata 2 is no exception. The connection is strong and stable, even when flying at a distance. Is clear with minimal lag, which is crucial for FPV. The drone responds instantly to every command. That makes it reliable not just for fun flights, but also for professional shooting. Battery life is better than expected for a drone that flies this fast. You can get around 22-23 minutes depending on your style of flying. That's solid on FPV drone, though you will want extra batteries if you plan on long sessions. Charging is fairly quick, so you can get back into the air without waiting too long. The audio aspect doesn't really apply in the same way as laptops or phones. But the sound of the drone itself is noticeable. It's not too loud compared to some FPV drones, but you will definitely hear it when it takes off. The more important part is that it doesn't sound rough or distracting on video, which helps creators. Connectivity is smooth. The drone links instantly to the goggles and controller, and the whole setup process feels simpler than before. DJI has worked on making FPV less intimidating, and it shows. You don't spend too much time setting things up. Instead, you just turn it on and fly. In terms of price and value, the DJI Avata 2 sits in a premium category. It's not the cheapest drone you can buy, but you are paying for a complete FPV system that works right out of the box. For the experience it delivers, it feels worth it, especially if you want a mix of fun and professional level footage. The pros are clear. You get an immersive flying experience, a strong and durable build, sharp video, and stable controls. Goggles are much improved, and the transmission system is reliable. The only cons are the flight time, which could always be longer, and the price, which may be high for beginners. But compared to what you get, those drawbacks don't feel too heavy. So here's the final verdict. The DJI Avata 2 is one of the best FPV drones you can get in 2025. It brings together speed, stability, and cinematic footage in a way that feels both thrilling and accessible. If you've always wanted to try FPV but didn't want the hassle, this is the drone to get. And if you are an experienced pilot, it has enough power and precision to keep you excited, welcome to Tech Vibe, where we keep reviews simple, clear, and focused on what matters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the DJI Avata 2, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest breakdowns of the latest tech.